The other day, I shared with you how you can take your struggles and your breakthroughs and go over to ChatGPT to create hooks from those struggles and breakthroughs. Now, I'm going to share with you how you can use those hooks to completely change what you say in a 1-minute video. Now, I'm not going to waste your time, so I want to tell you why this is so important. When you're creating your content, there are 4 things that you need to keep top of mind. Number 1, you need to be thinking about your customer. Number 2, what pain, problem, or frustration is your ideal customer experiencing? Number 3, what story, lesson, or experience are you going to share inside of your content to show the viewer that you've been where they are right now? And number 4, how are you going to emotionally connect with your audience in your story? And this is why it's so important. If you want your viewer to resonate with you, then you need to connect emotionally with your viewer. So in our ChatGPT prompt, we are going to ask it to include empathy. So for the viewer that's experiencing that pain right now, we'll want to solve that pain today. So let's head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. So over here in ChatGPT, we've dropped in this prompt. Can you please create a 1-minute YouTube video outline for this hook and include empathy to connect with our viewer and what their outcome will look like if they do not take action? The hook, the secret to turning short videos into evergreen sales machine, what I wish I knew sooner. In your response, please include the hook, the problem, the solution, what is in it for them, and the call to action. Can you also include the title that is optimized for search, that creates intrigue and interest, that include topics that YouTube has an audience for? The description that is also optimized for search, 3 relevant hashtags, and a list of optimized and relevant tags that include a comma at the end of each tag so I can copy and paste into YouTube so that the video is optimized for search and is given the best opportunity to be found by new viewers and recommended on the platform. And this is the response from ChatGPT. Here's a 1-minute YouTube video outline based on your hook. The secret to turning short videos into evergreen sales machines, what I wish I knew sooner. This outline is designed to spark curiosity, show empathy, and inspire action with a clear outcome-focused call to action. And as we can see here, we've got the video outline at the top, which has got the title, which is optimized for search, followed by the hook, the problem, the solution, what's in it for them, and the call to action. We've also got the video description right below, so we can actually copy and paste that into YouTube. We've also got 3 hashtags and also the tags that you can also use in YouTube to help your video get the best exposure possible and to get in front of your ideal audience. When you remove the empathy out of the prompt, you'll see the difference in the response that ChatGPT will provide to you. If you want to be connecting with your audience, then you need to be using empathy in your content to actually connect and resonate with them. So give this ChatGPT prompt a try today in your business and discover what type of content it can create for you.